Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 88 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we are going to get started in our exercises for flexibility, and we are going to begin with exercise 138.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So, in this section from exercises 138 to 148, Marchesi writes, these exercises should be sung in one breath and should not be attempted until the pupil is capable of so singing them. They are to be transposed like all the other exercises. So this is interesting because what she's saying here is that we need to make sure we are doing this kind of up to tempo so we can do this in one breath. But also, if there is something that's prohibiting doing it in one breath, probably it's best to work on the other exercises before moving ahead. And there is absolutely no shame in that. I know these ones are also going to be tricky, like what we did with the ear training ones earlier, like the groups of 8 notes and 6 notes. This is also going to be a little bit tricky in terms of patterns. So you may need to do it over and over again to really understand the pattern. I am going to take these exercises one at a time. And the reason is because I think we need to spend that kind of time with the exercise instead of trying to force ourselves to come up with 2 of them at one time. It really helps us center and make sure that we get the right feelings in the throat. Exercise 138, we go up to the 5th, back down again. Then we go up to the 9th, back down to the 5th, up to the 9th, and back all the way down again. All right, so that will be transposed. So we're going to do a few of them so that you get really comfortable with this. And here is exercise 138. Okay, so do you feel that flow? I felt it was a little bit difficult. I've been singing quite a bit today, and so I did feel that the transition from the low C up was a little bit tricky. So you might want to spend some time on that lower passaggio and just see if you can feel that flow into the head voice from the chest.